Hey, Dr. Scott here with your health tip. We're going to talk a little bit about immune system and how that relates to chiropractic on a, just an overall health basis. This time of year has been known to be called the flu season. A lot of people suffer with allergies down here particularly in the southeast and in the Florida area, and they're constantly in a battle trying to regulate their symptoms with their kids or themselves, and they don't really understand what's causing it. So you have to understand, number one, this is immune response in the body, your body's inability to adapt to normal antigens or environmental factors. So the thing that controls how your body adapts and controls all regulation of the immune system is your nerve system. And your body isn't in and of itself have an immune system, so to speak. It is an immune system. So everything going on in your body, every single cell, has immune responses to that. So from a chiropractic standpoint, a lot of people don't realize how integral that is and important to having a healthy immune system in regards to chiropractic care, spine, and nerve system. So your body, again, is controlled through the nerve system, controls all function and healing in the body, all immune responses, everything. And your spine is housed and protected by these vertebrae in the spine, these individual bones in the spine, protect the nerve system. If these bones shift or misalign, what we call subluxate, out of their normal position, that can begin to cause uneven wear and tear to these joints, begin to cause damage to the nerves, sedate, choke off, block that information, which will cause poor function. The immune system in the body can cause poor adaptation to environmental factors, make you more susceptible to allergic reactions, flu symptoms, colds, this sort of thing. So as far as the chiropractic and immune system research, I put up a few things here. In 2010, Journal of Chiropractic and Osteopathy, they proved that people under regular chiropractic care had improved interleukin-2 responses in their bloodstream. So these are parts of the white blood cells that actually create immune responses at a higher level to help prevent disease and antigens from attacking the body, being able to get a foothold. Really important study in 1989, Dr. Ron Perot, he's the chief of cancer research at the New York's Center for Integrative Medicine, and he proved that people under regular chiropractic care for 5 years or more had immune function 200 to 400% more than people that never had any chiropractic care before. And that was huge because he was working with cancer patients at the time, and they all had obviously very diminished immune systems and adaptation. In 1991, Dr. Patricia Brennan, she proved that enhanced immune response following chiropractic adjustments, and they called it a respiratory burst. So these little Pac-Man type cells in your body, white blood cells that are phagocytes that attack antigens and bacteria and viruses, were actually improved. In other words, the number of those was enhanced through regular chiropractic care. In 1994, and this is while I was in school at Life Chiropractic University in Atlanta, they did a study, and it was a 6-month study on HIV positive patients, that proved that the improvement in CD4 cells, which is the direct correlation as to whether you have HIV or not, these cells die off because the virus actually attacks those cells. The cells actually increased in the patients under regular chiropractic care for 6 months during that time. So this is huge stuff that most people don't even realize how important it is to be under chiropractic care, to have your spine and nerve system checked. So some of the things that the typical medical approaches or traditional approaches to looking at these symptoms in regards to colds and flus or allergies, those sorts of things, is taking drugs. So antihistamines is one of the ones that most people go to. You can get it over the counter, you can get a prescription for it. But these are some of the side effects you have from doing that. So dry mouth, drowsiness, dizziness, nausea and vomiting, restlessness or moodiness in children. You don't need that. Trouble urinating, blurred vision, confusion, just to name a few. Now, as far as flu shot side effects or headaches, fever, nausea, muscle aches, flu shots also contain mercury and aluminum, which are highly toxic to the body, cause long-term side effects and damage to the body. So our approach obviously is a more natural approach. The action steps is get your spine nerve system checked by a chiropractor. 10 to 15 minutes of direct sunlight every day. That will help improve your immune response due to vitamin D improvements in the body, in the bloodstream, and eating real foods. So again, these are some of the just basic things we can do to help you move in the better direction with your health. And so I hope this helps some people this year moving into cold and flu season. And we'll see you next time. Dr. Ewing signing off.